On New Year's Day, January 1st of 2024 at 1:22 p.m., this is what happened to me. Now I could cry about it, get upset, but we're the credit card community. When life gives you a car accident that isn't your fault and you don't have to pay for it, you turn that shit into a welcome bonus. And that's exactly what we're gonna do here today. But I'm gonna need your help and I'm gonna test your knowledge in this video. Even give you, my loyal subscriber, a chance to win some money. So here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna give you a bunch of requirements and give you my credit history, and you are gonna suggest me a credit card. Obviously, you're gonna go into the comment section and do 3 things. Suggest me a credit card, why I should apply for that credit card, and attach a referral link in that comment. And whoever's comment has the most likes and the one I also agree with, I'll use your referral link to apply for the credit card. And if it's a credit card that doesn't have a referral link, then that's okay too. You can still participate and maybe even throw in some cool credit union cards. Same rules apply. If your comment gets the most likes and I also agree with your credit card assessment, however there's no referral link for the credit card that you're suggesting, I'll just go ahead and Venmo you $50. How's that sound? And anyone can participate. You can be a YouTube creator, watcher, subscriber. Even if you're a cat, you can still participate. Alright, so here are the requirements. So currently State Farm has estimated using photo evidence that the repair costs are going to cost about $1,300. However, reading a lot of Tesla Reddit stories, I'm gonna assume that the repairs are actually going to end up to be about like $5,000. If not more. It's not that much damage, but the car did hit me really hard, and there's a lot of, computers, sensors in a Tesla that may need to be fixed. Either way, it's not money out of my pocket. So let's assume a welcome bonus spend of between $2,000 to $6,000. So for my credit history, for all 3 bureaus, I'm around a credit score of about 750. So I should be able to get most, if not all, credit cards. Except, of course, the exclusive cards like the Amex Centurion card or the JP Morgan card. Currently, my 524 status is 824. So that will restrict a lot of Chase credit cards. Unless you're watching your other favorite credit card YouTubers, apparently they're getting approved for Chase credit cards over 524. I haven't yet, but today may be the day. It's not. I also currently have 9 credit card inquiries. I recently applied for a car loan, if that makes a difference. Other than that, everything else should be good. My payment history is 100%, so no worries there. I think the only cards I applied for recently was a Discover card and a US Bank card. I'm currently in good standing with American Express. I'm also under the 5 credit card limit for American Express. However, I've had most of the lifetime bonuses of most American Express credit cards, like the Blue Cash Everyday, the Blue Cash Preferred, the American Express Platinum card, the American Express Gold card. Not yet the green card, but currently from my thinking, I don't think the green card really makes sense with my situation, but if you can convince me otherwise, then I'm more willing to hear it. Also got the Delta Blue, the Delta Gold. Don't really much care for staying at Hilton's, but maybe you can convince me otherwise. I've been thinking about getting the Marriott card. Oh, and also I got the Blue Business Plus. So business cards are also fair game too. All my Chase cards, I believe the bonuses should have been reset. I applied for them more than 4 years ago. Haven't got many City cards. I believe the only City card that I had was a Costco card. Not many Barclay cards, but also it's not a bank that I currently prefer. Also, Wells Fargo is in that category, but I am willing to hear what you have to say about Wells Fargo. Convince me otherwise, I'm willing to hear you out. Other than that, I think that's all the information that you really need from me, right? If you have any questions about my credit profile, just leave a comment down below and I'll try to get to it as soon as possible. But yeah, I'm excited to see what you come up with. I know a lot of y'all in the credit card community is even more knowledgeable than me, and some of y'all that's been watching this channel, maybe it's a good chance to put your knowledge to the test. Kind of a pop quiz. But before I let you go, remember to follow me on Pushy to make sure that you always know when I'm uploading a video. We'll also be doing 2 more giveaways to get some free merch from Kawi.shop. And congrats to the last 2 winners, Richie and Sarab. I hope that you enjoyed the merch that you got. But I think this will do it for this video. I'm excited to see what you come up with, and I'll see you later.